got this old girl in here running. She's been running for about 10 minutes now. My buddy just went out for a drive with it. And this thing just sings. It's idling a little bit high, but it is so nice. It runs so good. The clutch feels beautiful. The gear shifting is so crisp. In the reverse, it is perfectly smooth. If I can find reverse, there we go. Whereas my 245, it just grinds like crazy. I mean, outside of a parking brake light, there's no other lights. I mean, there's not really many warning lights, I suppose, but it just runs so nice. Sorry for the shaky camera, I'm just all excited, but I almost don't want to just park this car out, but I don't know what to do with it. I want the sway bars and the firewall braces, and that's really it, but it runs so nice. I'm confused. So help me decide what to do with this old girl, because I feel like just ripping her guts out would be a waste. But I want this transmission for my wagon because it's a beautiful shifting transmission. The dashboard would be great on my 262, despite the little bit of cracks. It's in significantly better shape, and also there's a bee here. He's my friend. And yeah, it's got good glass. Like, I'm tempted to run on a Lemons Rally, but at the same time, I'm also nervous about running on a Lemons Rally because, you know, holes, just little holes that are really bad, and other holes that are really bad. But at the same time, it's so nice. If I found some seats that I could move forward, we could get 3 people in and out of the car easily, or just run no passenger and everyone can sit in the back, but that'd be even worse. So I don't know.
I'd hold like 4,000, 4,500 RPM.
Okay.
Dump the clutch and then go for the brake.
All right, let's look left and right, see there's
But you might wheel hop over this. You see how the road is pretty bad?
Yeah, you're right.
So you want to find a smooth piece of road. Yeah, you're doing it. Whoa! Whoa! It looks a bit funky back there.
Oh my god! This thing burns so good!
Wow. You smoking in here?
Oh, I love shooting Volvos! Well, it's a little late to be starting / wrapping up this video. I don't really know how to go about it because I did this all jumbo and out of order, and I suck at YouTube. But yeah, I guess a little bit of a recap. My buddy Michael came over today. We took the sway bars off this car. We took the firewall braces. He took a bunch of the grab handles in the interior and a bunch of other little interior bits and pieces and stuff like that. We took the trunk off because he wanted the trunk hinges for his car. And then I just threw the trunk in the garage because, I don't know, I didn't really care. I was just like, screw it, whatever, it's going to get rained in. And there's predetermined drain holes, so who cares? And then we went out to Mexico and did a little bit of hooning, which was amazing. This car does really good burnouts. It blows my mind. So thank you, Mexico, for not caring about burnouts and drag racing. But yeah, I need to know what you guys think I should do with this car, because this thing is such a good runner. The transmission is so tight. The synchronizers feel so good. It does have a blown brake line in the front, but you would not know it's pumping the brakes. It feels amazing. So, I don't know. I need to know your guys' opinions. I gotta do something with this car. I can't just let it just be a parts car and be gone. So, I guess drop a comment if you could. I would really appreciate that. Let me know what you guys think. Some fun stuff I could do. I was thinking Gambler, but I'd like to do something a little bit more hoony. And then, plus I don't have to deal with lights that way, because those need to be road legal vehicles for, the Gambler, to my understanding. I prefer to not drive it on the road illegally, only in Mexico. And I'm also gonna need mirrors, but that's, you know, another problem for another day. So please drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed the burnouts and all the other dumb stuff. It's nothing major, but I'm definitely gonna plan on doing some more later and hopefully have some better footage and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching a ton, guys. I really appreciate it. This thing is awesome. I'm in love with this Volvo. I don't know why. This is probably just jumped on my favorite car list. But anyway, have a great night, guys. Thanks for watching.